Now I know where that bolt goes. Maybe. Nope. Let's get the bolts figured out right here. I think the 3 to hold at the frame.
Yeah.
And they are coarse because it's a cast frame. But that's what these are, and they're 3/8. Still don't know where that one came from, but that's where these ones go. The kickstand are 5/16, but the 3 mounting ones here, big holes, are 3/8. So this is a 65 mounting bracket. See, it's not bent, broken, rusty. Pretty nice. It is not the early one. They broke the screw off getting it out of there, though.
Mm-hmm.
That's going to be hard to get out. Yeah, nothing's got any rust on it on this thing. How in the hell they break a screw off?
Mm-hmm.
Wonderful. Makes it hard to get out. Did they give me the little screw for the front, maybe? Nope. Just 3. Yeah. It's missing. See, the 64, this stuck way out like this. A bit longer. This is more like a 70s lap style, it's real thin. The earlier 65 was way wide. A little bit different looking. But I still bought it because it's a good bracket. It's a nice clean looking bracket. I didn't see the broken bolt, but yeah. Can't have everything perfect when you buy it.
No.
Rarely is.